Hi guys, you are watching MA Tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to design Black Sea logo in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. Create a new common artboard in Adobe Illustrator and change its preset details to Black Sea. Select the line tool from toolbar and draw a horizontal line and change its stroke point to 18 points. Go to Object menu and click Expand Appearance. Once again go to Object menu and click Expand and click OK. Next, go to Effects, then select Distort and Transform and click Zigzag. And make it points to smooth and ridges per segment to 10. Hold the Alt key and drag the line down. And press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Select the Type tool and type the text Black Sea. Change its font size to 72 points and font to Berlin Sans FB Demi Bold. Move it to the center of the wave. Select the Line tool and draw two vertical lines. Select the lines, waves, and go to Object menu and click Expand Appearance. Once again, go to Object menu and click Expand. And click OK. And go to Window menu and select Pathfinder and click Divide key. Select the waves and ungroup it. And select the unwanted parts and delete them. Select the waves and text and align it. And there we go, that wraps up the video, so hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time.